President Trump made American manufacturing a top priority, and he's relying on a tariff plan to resurrect the industry across the country. Now, the levies have been met with mixed reviews, from the chaos the president's plans have caused on Wall Street to some saying Americans aren't looking for factory jobs. Back in February, you might remember, we spoke to Drew Greenblatt. He's the owner of Marlin Steel, and he said the tariffs would actually be great for his business. And now we want to check back in with Drew 100 days into the second Trump presidency. He joins us again from Baltimore. Great to see you this morning. So, Drew, do you feel the same way about the Trump trade policies? How's your business doing today? You were very welcoming of these policies, which you said would level the playing field earlier this year.
Well, we had our best first quarter in company history, and we had a fabulous April. So we're very enthusiastic about the future. This is going to be a really good time for American manufacturing. We're seeing a lot of people realizing that this is the time for reindustrialization of America, where we're going to be making things here. We're not just going to be importing stuff and putting it on our shelves. We're going to actually make it here in America. It's a phenomenal mind shift for the American people.
And we've been looking at some footage of the wire baskets and wire trays that your company makes. And you've got factories not just in Maryland, where you are, but Indiana and Michigan as well. And after we spoke with you in February, you met with Maryland Senator Angela Brooks to discuss tariff policy. What did you speak about, and what came of the conversation?
Well, I was actually very pleased with my discussion with her. She was very open to listening to different ideas. This is a concept that's for the working man. This is something that doesn't just require Republicans or Democrats to fight over. This is something that we could all unify about, where we could create jobs in America for American workers, give them a path, give them a lane to get into the middle class. She wants to hire locals, not people in Mexico, not people in China. She wants to bring people from poverty in Baltimore City, where my factory is, and bring them into the middle class. Tariffs give us an opportunity to win jobs that we lost decades ago. This is a phenomenal opportunity for our nation. Yeah. It's a phenomenal opportunity for Baltimore City.
Well, Drew, let me ask you about that effort, because we spoke with the head of the National Association of Manufacturers earlier this month, and he was telling us about this 500,000 job vacancy size in the industry. And you keep saying, but you need to hire American and get folks back into these jobs. Why can't we fill these jobs with Americans right now? How do you convince Americans to take some of these open positions?
I think we have to illuminate people that these are incredibly lucrative careers. $80,000 a year, $90,000 a year, $100,000 a year, with fabulous health insurance, with great 401ks, vacation, safe, interesting. This is something that's got to be pitched to people. Right now, guidance counselors and teachers at schools are misinforming, I think, many kids out there, letting them think that college is the only path. College is a very good path for many students. However, in many cases, the trades are a phenomenal alternative. You can go into a trade like welding at our factory, or setting up a laser, or setting up a press brake, and makes real coin at this kind of profession. You can be in the middle class. Not every person is keen or perfectly aligned with going to college. It's not right for everybody. Sometimes it falls apart. Sometimes, you get a degree that's not very useful. You have a lot of student debt. And then what happens? You don't get a job that matches, that's not in high demand. Let me tell you, plumbers, carpenters, welders, these are jobs in high demand with great pay. And this is before the tariffs hit. So this is a very exciting time for the middle class. A lot of opportunities are going to open up that we never had in the past.
Well, Drew Greenblatt, it's great to chat with you and get another update as we continue to watch how the policies change things for businesses. Thanks for joining us from Baltimore.